Hi guys, welcome to RUSSIMPLITY, and today is the last video of this series about numbers. So, if you didn't see the previous videos, you may find them on playlist. I will leave it here. And if you like the video, you like always may leave comments or put like under this video. I will be really happy to know it. So, let's get started with the last three numbers for this series. And the first one is 19. 19. The examples. Ему было 19. Ему было 19. He was 19. Ему было 19. He was 19 means he was 19 years old. Когда он начал заниматься боксом, then he started boxing. Ему было 19, когда он начал заниматься боксом. He was 19 years old when he started boxing. And one more. Ее опыт работы 19 лет. Ее опыт работы 19 лет. Or you may say so. У нее 19 лет опыта работы. What means she has 19 years of working experience. У нее 19 лет опыта работы. She has 19 years of working experience. One more number. 20. 20. 20 is 20. 20. Это случилось 20 лет назад. Это случилось 20 лет назад. It happened. Это случилось. It happened. 20 лет назад. 20 лет назад. 20 years ago. Это случилось 20 лет назад. One more example. Он получает 20 тысяч в год. He gets 20,000 per year. For example, salary or something else. Well, он получает 20 тысяч в год. He gets 20,000 per year. For a year. He gets 20,000 for a year. And the last number for today and for this week is 0. 0. 0 is 0. Simple. So, what about 0? Температура 20 градусов выше нуля. Температура 20 градусов выше нуля. The temperature is 20 degrees above zero. Температура, the temperature, 20 градусов выше нуля is 20 degrees above zero. In Russian you may write or so, ноль, or also so, нуль. It's the same, and you may choose every which you like more. Both examples are right, so you may choose ноль or ноль. It's not important. And one more example. 5 минус 5 равно 0. What means 5 minus 5 equals 0. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 равно 0 equals 0. So, thanks for watching RUSSIMPLITY. I hope my videos are useful for you. And If you like the video, like always, put like under the video, write comments for me, and see you soon. See you next week. Bye bye.